this is Max with Crash Tester. See, today I'm going to be hopping on an airplane. It is 10:25 in the morning. I'm at O'Hare Airport and I'm going to be flying all the way down to Florida. To Fort Myers, I'll be driving to my favorite place to fly my Tiny Whoop ever. And hopefully I'll do that this very evening. I have my Tiny Whoop drone in my backpack. I'm at the airport right now. I'm about to start boarding. I've got my Tiny Whoop drone in the backpack. And fun fact, on Spirit Airlines, you can't bring all your Tiny Whoop drone stuff on the plane. So tonight, hopefully, I will be flying a Tiny Whoop at my favorite playground. Okay, so I am on the plane. Now it's time for a 5-second travel montage. Okay, so I'm on the ground. The plane landed. So now I've got to drive a couple hours to get to my favorite flying spot. Okay, it is 5:40 and I finally made it to my flying spot. The sun is setting and I'm gonna fly. So this is the playground I like to fly at. You can't see a lot from here, but it's pretty big. It's called Marco Park. It's in Marco Island, Florida. And I've got a spot that is right here where I just like to sit and fly. Okay, so I put about 1.5 packs through the Tiny Whoop, and then my goggles died. So that's that for now. I have to hurry up and catch my flight back to Chicago. No, I'm joking. I've got a condo to stay here for a while. So I'll have more coming on this soon, so make sure to subscribe.